Hi, this is Rachel from Tyms. Let's look at how to set up your account's opening balance on Tyms. Tyms allows you to easily import opening balances from a previous accounting system or a trial balance. Start by visiting the accounting module from the home page. Ensure that you have created all the accounts that you need to import. Now, let's navigate to the Opening Balance tab. Start by setting the opening balance date. Provide each account debit and credit value. And remember that you can only save as draft when the debit and credit total are not equal. So, let's restore the saved draft to continue editing. Review your entries, and once the debit and the credit total are equal, we can proceed to publish. Now you have been able to set up your opening balances. Yes, we can now check the trial balance to see the impact. Thank you, and see you some other time.